Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome everyone to my class. This is our 17th session. And in this session, I'm going to talk about text table in Tableau. So, text table, what do you mean by text table? You can understand by the meaning, like you have a table, right? So, this is kind of chart where you'll see data in the form of table. Okay, and what is there inside that data? You have text. So you can find some values being observed, like the way it comes in pivot table, right? The same way it comes in Tableau also. For that we use something called text table. Okay, so I hope you know about pivot table and all. So imagine if this is my sample superstore file. I'll just go to insert. Okay, under insert I'll click on pivot table. Okay, and once I get my pivot table, imagine if I want to see my subcategory. Okay, I want to compare the data of my subcategory with the sales. You see this, right? These are the subcategories: accessories, appliances, art, binders, chair. So these are the subcategories and these are the values for them. So the same value, if you want, you can get very easily in Tableau. And the tool what help us is mainly text table. Okay, so in order to open text table, okay, what you can do, you just go to Tableau. Here you can write, change the name of the sheet. Here I'll write text table. Here I'll give the name called text table. Okay, and if I go to worksheet and if I go to caption, here I can put some captions like what all is my objective of this class. So here let me just increase the font size. So here I'll write caption aggregation. What all I want to calculate? I want to calculate some average, count, maxima, minima, all this thing I want to calculate here. Press OK. So you will find them. Now, in order to work on text table, if I go to show me, the first chart is text table only. What you need one or more dimensions, you need one or more measures. So the dimension what I'll use is subcategory, and the measure what I'm using here is sales. Just click them and click on text table. You can find the same thing, the way you got the pivot table, the same way you got here, right? So all the different types of subcategories are there along with their values. So this is what you got. Now, if you want profit, next to that, you can just drag profit here. Okay, so something else happened. So control Z, if I do control Z, will the profit will work if I come next to that, or if I drag the profit on the table? No, nothing is working. So I wanted subcategory, then sales also, profit also. So yeah, I got sales, profit, subcategory, everything I got. But if you see the values, like first is sales, then is the profit. Like you can see, these all are subcategories: accessories, appliances, arts, binders, bookcases, chair, copier, envelope, fastener, furnishing, paper. All these are subcategories. And under each subcategory, you have sales figure also, profit figure also. So what I was looking for, I was looking if they would have been adjacent to each other, it would have made more sense for me. Anyway, so now if I remove the subcategory from here, the sales, profit, everything from here. Okay, now if I put the subcategory under row, and if I put sales under text, I'll got the same thing. The way I got the text table, the same thing it happened. Okay, now I can do comparison if I want. I can do comparison region wise. If I put the region under column, so you can see you get the four regions. change the view to fit with. So you can see all the four regions: east, west, south, central, and these are the subcategories. You can see them, right? So you can see different subcategories. You can see their values here. Clear, everyone? Anywhere, any confusion? Fine. So you can do like this way. Okay, but suppose what I wanted, suppose here what I wanted, if let me just make it standard again. So what I wanted for each of these subcategories, I wanted like average for the sales only. I wanted the average on sales, sum on sales, count on sales, something like that. Maximum of sales, minimum of sales, all that I wanted. Okay, for each subcategory, like a table, you understanding? So for each of this, like I wanted these value. Maybe names are there, then your subjects are mentioned. I wanted the marks for you in all the subjects. Okay, one by one. So how can I do this? Now here I got the sum of sales. I can go to measure, make it average. So I got this average on sales. This is the average on my sale. Okay, this you can see from here. This is the average on my sale. Okay, then what I can do, if I click on sale and put inside this, so you can see it made some graph and all like this. This is not I wanted like this. So if I drag the sales next to this, nothing happens. If I put the sales, nothing happens. If I put the sales under text, so this is also I don't want it. Again, like this way. Okay, I got the average on sales. Again, if I drag the sales, okay, here I got sum of sales, but as such, nothing happened. You see, this is in text format, right? And this is size format. If you click on text format, they'll came adjacent to each other. This I don't want. So now if I put the sum of sales, now if I put the sum of the sales like this, I'm getting the diagram like this way. 1 minute. So now again I'm trying to put the sales inside this. So I wanted that sum of sales should come adjacent to the average on sales. Remove the sum of sales from here and again just drag the sales next to this, so that you should not get something like this green color triangle. You should get like this an icon where show me is written. Click on that, you will get the sale. This is the average on sale. This is the sum on sale. So you go here and what you can do, you can change the measure here, maybe count or something. So you got the average on sales, count on sales. Again, just select this. When you see show me, then only drop. Then again, here you can, instead of sum of sales, if you want some any other parameter, percentile, standard deviation, variance, anything you want, you can do that. Then you can put sales here, sum on sales if I want. Fine. So I hope you understood this. This I can put fit with, and I can see all the values for the different subcategories. Clear, everyone? Okay, the way we did this, the same thing you can do with different parameters. Like if I put uh, now if I put subcategory under row, and then if I put the sales Under text, I got the sum of sales. Okay, very easily I got the sum of sales. Maybe I wanted the sum of profit. Okay, then if I wanted the sum of any other parameter, maybe discount, you just put click here. Very simple, right? So you can do like this way and you can easily create tax table based on this way. So this is much more easier way to do this instead of following pivot table and all. If you follow pivot table, it might be difficult. You need to click the each of them. You'll get the text table like this way. Clear everyone? So here I got the sum of sales, sum of quantity, sum of discount, sum of profit. All this for each subcategories, you can do the same work. What I've done here. So I hope guys that you have understood this class. So with that intention, it's time to wind up the class. Thank you everyone. I'll see you all very soon for the next class. Take care. Bye everyone.